Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Salesforce Lightning for lead management, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Salesforce Lightning for lead management, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Ensure you are an administrator or have the necessary permissions. Navigate to the settings icon in the top right corner of the Salesforce interface. In the settings menu, locate and select Setup. In the quick find box on the left side, type Lightning Experience. Click on Lightning Experience settings from the options that appear. You will see a toggle switch for enabling Lightning Experience. Switch it to On to activate Lightning for your organization. Next, review the activation prerequisites that Salesforce prompts you with. Make sure all users have the correct profiles to access Lightning. Click Save to confirm your changes. Now, you can begin the transition to the Lightning experience. Head back to the app launcher in the top left corner of the screen. Select Leads to verify that lead management features are available. Explore the new layout and tools introduced in Lightning Experience. Customize your lead management settings to match your business needs. You can create custom fields, page layouts, and lead assignment rules. Remember to train your team on the new interface and features. Monitor the performance of your lead management process after activation. Make any necessary adjustments based on user feedback and analytics. This completes the activation of Salesforce Lightning for lead management. By following these steps, you'll enhance your organization's lead management capabilities significantly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.